What is sustainability? Sustainability is the art of focusing on meeting the needs of the present with keeping in mind to save the resources for the future needs. Sustainable development is the art of organizing the society in such a way that can exist for a long time in the future. It focuses on economic development, social development, and environmental development. How businesses incorporate sustainability in them. Main focuses of business to come together and grow together. Sustainability encourages business entrepreneurs to take decisions that are related to environmental, social, and human impact for a long-term business gains. What is Envoki as a startup working towards? We believe that economical, environmental, and social factors of the organization work hand in hand. Companies tend to incorporate sustainability by cutting down emission, zero waste packaging, and lowering energy usage. Today, first, we provide consultation to emerging businesses and startups, and second, we organize various social activities. Envoki in the year 2020 decided to venture into business. It would take days, it would take months, it would take years, but always remember we are one.
One goal, one mission.